Hello, everyone. In retail, inventory record inaccuracy shows up fast. Empty shelves, online substitutions, poor replenishment, and unnecessary waste. Shrink adds another layer, not just a loss issue, but a blocker to availability and trust. This ECR report sets out a clear maturity journey from reacting to errors to building a capability that protects on shelf availability and the customer promise. The report is available on the ECR website and is free to download. To make it practical, we've translated the maturity outcomes into 4 personas you'll recognize immediately.
I'm the firefighter. IRI becomes visible when it hurts. The system says in stock, but the shelf is empty, so we react. We search the back room, do emergency recounts, adjust stock, and move on. We often bring in external providers to count, and we collect lots of data. But honestly, we don't get the best out of it. Reports land in inboxes, actions aren't clear, and the same issues repeat. And shrink? I see it mainly as a task. How do I lose less? Our next step is simple. Define ownership, standardize the minimum routine, and turn count data into a short, actionable fixed list.
I'm the investigator. We accept IRI as real, and we want to understand where it's coming from. We analyze root causes, receiving variances, case pack or unit of measure errors, scanning discipline, promotions and displays, markdowns and fresh online mispicks, and shrink. We start using external providers' results as evidence, not just a compliance exercise to spot patterns by department, store, and item type.
But scaling change is hard.
Our next step is converting insight into KPIs, routines, and controls that stick every day, so audit data becomes improvement, not just documentation.
I'm the operator. We manage inventory accuracy like a retailing operating system, not a one off project. We have clear owners, defined metrics, and repeatable routines. Cycle counts, exception based checks, and feedback loops after every count. This is where external providers' data really delivers value. We use it to validate our algorithms, confirm what's really happening in store, and design strategic counts. We focus effort on the hard to predict items, high velocity SKUs, promoted lines, and departments where freshness or shrink makes errors expensive. For solution providers, this is where solutions scale because the business is ready to act on the data.
I'm the customer promise champion. For us, inventory accuracy is a customer experience capability. Leadership commitment is visible, collaboration across store, DC, merchandising, digital, and loss prevention is strong, and technology is embedded into workflows, so issues are detected early and corrected fast. And shrink, I don't treat it as a separate task list. I see it as friction that gets in the way of great customer service because it drives wrong availability, locked stock, substitutions, and lost trust. We protect the grocery promise. Shelves are full, online availability is believable, substitutions drop, and fresh is managed with confidence. At this level, accuracy isn't a project, it's how we operate.
So the question isn't, do we have IRI? It's which persona are we today, and what's our next step? Retailers can use the maturity model to align functions and build a roadmap. Solution providers, including audit partners, can tailor support to maturity needs and help turn data into action. And academics can use a shared structure for measurement and learning. Let's move the industry up the journey together.